Urban management refers to policies, plans, programs, and practices that try to assure that population growth is matched by access to infrastructure, housing, and employment. Managing urbanization is a complex process that involves planning, infrastructure development, social services, and environmental sustainability to ensure that cities can accommodate their growing populations while maintaining a high quality of life for residents. Strategies for managing urbanization effectively. Number 1, comprehensive urban planning. Number 2, investment in infrastructure. Number 3, affordable housing. Number 4, social services. Number 5, environmental sustainability. Number 6, community engagement. Number 7, public transportation and traffic management. Number 8, waste management and recycling. Number 9, technology and innovation. Number 10, community engagement. Number 1, comprehensive urban planning. Develop long-term urban plans that consider population growth, economic development, and environmental sustainability, and implement zoning regulations and land use planning to ensure organized and sustainable development. Number 2, investment in infrastructure. Build and maintain essential infrastructure such as roads, bridges, public transportation, water supply, sewage systems, and energy facilities, and upgrade existing infrastructure to accommodate the needs of a growing population. Number 3, affordable housing. Implement policies to ensure the availability of affordable housing options for residents, and encourage mixed-use developments that combine residential, commercial, and recreational spaces. Number 4, public transportation and traffic management. Develop efficient public transportation systems to reduce traffic congestion and air pollution, and implement intelligent traffic management systems and promote alternative modes of transport, such as cycling and walking. Number 5, social services. Provide accessible healthcare, education, and social welfare services to all residents, and address the needs of vulnerable populations through targeted social programs and services. Number 6, environmental sustainability. Promote green spaces, parks, and urban forestry to improve air quality and provide recreational areas, and adopt renewable energy sources and energy-efficient practices in buildings and infrastructure. Number 7, waste management and recycling. Develop efficient waste management systems, including recycling programs and waste-to-energy initiatives, and raise public awareness about the importance of recycling and waste reduction. Number 8, environmental sustainability. Promote green spaces, parks, and urban forestry to improve air quality and provide recreational areas, and adopt renewable energy sources and energy-efficient practices in buildings and infrastructure. Number 9, community engagement. Involve residents in the decision-making process through community meetings, surveys, and participatory planning, and foster a sense of community and social cohesion through local events and initiatives. Number 10, technology and innovation. Implement smart city solutions, IoT devices, and data analytics to improve urban services and infrastructure management, and use technology to enhance governance, public service delivery, and citizen engagement. Managing urbanization requires a multifaceted approach and continuous adaptation to changing circumstances. By focusing on these strategies and involving all stakeholders, cities can effectively manage the challenges and opportunities that come with urban growth, creating sustainable, livable environments for their residents. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more information.